Hey everyone, welcome back to FireStick Max. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install free Flix Vision on your Amazon Fire Stick step by step. Free Flix Vision is a popular streaming app that allows you to watch movies and TV shows for free with a simple and user-friendly interface. If you're looking for a lightweight app with a large content library and smooth performance, then this app is definitely worth checking out. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, from the Fire Stick home screen, move to the search option at the top left corner and open it. Once the search screen appears, use the on-screen keyboard to type Downloader. As you type just a few letters, the Downloader app will appear in the search results. Go ahead and select it, and then click on the orange Downloader icon. Now press the Download or Get button to install the app on your Fire Stick. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete depending on your internet speed. After Downloader is installed, we need to allow it to install apps from unknown sources. To do this, hold down the Home button on your remote and open Settings. From there, go to My Fire TV and then select Developer Options. If you do not see Developer Options, simply open About and click on your Fire Stick name 7 times until you see a message saying Developer Options are enabled. Go back and open Developer Options, then turn on Apps from unknown sources for the Downloader app. Now that everything is set up, open the Downloader app from your Apps section. When you launch Downloader for the first time, click Allow to give it permission and then click OK. You will now see the Downloader home screen with a search bar. Click on the URL box and enter the free Flix Vision download link or code that I've shared in the description, then press Go. The app will begin downloading automatically, and this may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, you will be taken directly to the installation screen. Click on Install and wait for the app to finish installing on your Fire Stick. After the installation is done, click Done and then delete the APK file to free up storage space on your device. Now go back to your Apps section and scroll to the bottom where you'll find free Flix Vision. Open the app and you'll see a wide collection of movies and TV shows organized into different categories. The app runs smoothly on Fire Stick and Android devices and makes it easy to search for your favorite content and start streaming right away. For a better and safer streaming experience, I always recommend using a VPN to protect your privacy and avoid internet throttling. A VPN keeps your activity secure and helps you stream without restrictions, especially when using third-party streaming apps like free Flix Vision. And that's it for today's video. You've successfully installed free Flix Vision on your Fire Stick, and you're now ready to enjoy free movies and TV shows anytime you want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FireStick Max, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.